Phillipsburg, and we're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Vinny.
We're gonna make lobster tail scampi today. We're gonna split our lobster tails. We're gonna go into the soft part with the tip of the knife. Just gonna roll my knife down like that. Then I'm gonna flip it where I cut in already. Do the same thing. I wanna break the shell on the bottom, so I'm gonna take my whole knife now.
I like that sound.
Yeah, but see that? It's a nice even cut through it. Okay, okay.
Did you hear that noise?
Good.
Okay. Oh yeah, look at me. Look at that. That was great.
All right, so then
that's mine.
That's
Sorry
okay.
about that.
I gotta get a little color. I wanna go flesh side down. Lobster has an indicator on when it's ready.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
It turns orangey.
Red, orangey, red.
Red.
Lobsters are red. I want caramelization on it. That's what I'm talking about. You see that color? They're not done yet. So our butter's gonna go in, chopped garlic, right? White wine, crushed red pepper, fresh squeezed lemon juice, Sicilian dried oregano, cook the wine off. We're there.
There you go.
Now it's gonna finish off. Lily, I'm gonna season now. A little black pepper for you. Look at how the whole shell is red now. Red, not orange, red. I like a lot of parsley in my scampi, and now this is gonna go right over the top.
It looks phenomenal. So if you'd like to try this at home, head to news12.com. Vin, thank you.
My pleasure as always.